What's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure and welcome to the next video. In today's video, we're actually going to take a look at a new piece of equipment we bought. We're hoping to step up our audio game with this one. We just got in the RODE VideoMic NTG. That's right, we got a new microphone, so hopefully we can get some really clean, crisp audio. So sit back, enjoy, and let me know what you think of the new microphone. This mic features a highly directional pattern and very low self-noise. This mic pairs perfectly with DSLRs, compact cameras, smartphones, and tablets. It can be used either on camera, as a boom mic, or even on a pistol grip. It also has a featured USB-C port that allows you to plug it directly into a computer and use it as a microphone. You can monitor audio from the headphone jack. It has a rechargeable lithium battery that provides 30+ hours of usage, along with the digital switching, which controls high-pass filter, the pad, high-frequency boost, and safety channel. All right, now that the unboxing is done, let's do a little bit of a comparison to see which one you think sounds better. Now, disclaimer, I have not played with this microphone at all. You just saw me open it for the first time. I have no idea how it works. That's not true. I sort of know how it works because I've done a lot of research on it. But at the same time, I don't know what settings are going to work best with this camera because I'm sure every one of them is going to be a little bit different. So we're going to do our best to get an audio comparison between the VideoMic Go and the VideoMic NTG, which is a powered microphone. All right, this is an audio check for the RODE VideoMic Go. And this is an audio check for the RODE VideoMic NTG. All right, this is an audio check for the RODE VideoMic Go. And this is an audio check for the RODE VideoMic NTG. That's right, this is the new microphone. I haven't played with any of the camera settings. This microphone actually has that built-in power on when it senses that the camera is pushing or trying to draw audio from it. So nice that you don't have to run your battery down. All right, well, that is a comparison between the RODE VideoMic Go, which is a non-powered microphone, and the RODE VideoMic NTG, which is a powered shotgun microphone, and it is very directional. I hope you've enjoyed this. Definitely getting some better audio out of this thing straight out of the box. All I have done is turn it on. I can't wait to start really playing with it. Actually read the instructions probably would help too. But definitely better audio sound coming out of this. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this comparison between the two microphones, the unboxing of the new RODE VideoMic NTG. I can't wait to start documenting our adventures with it. Definitely going to get some better audio. We've upgraded the camera. Now we've upgraded the microphone. I think we're ready to go. What's up everyone? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching that video as much as I enjoyed making it. I've got two requests of you. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's right under this video. And then after you're done with that, click those little videos that are right over there and enjoy some more of our content. And until the next strange adventure, keep making your own.